Ever wondered how mindfulness meditation can help you relieve stress? Well, let's dive right into it. Mindfulness meditation, in essence, is a practice that sharpens our focus and cultivates a heightened sense of awareness. It's like fine-tuning a musical instrument, but in this case, that instrument is our mind. It encourages us to be present, to live in the here and now, rather than getting lost in past regrets or future anxieties. One of the most remarkable benefits of this practice is its ability to help in stress reduction. It's like having a personal stress buster always at your disposal. And it doesn't stop there. Mindfulness meditation also acts as a mental rejuvenation tool, refreshing your mind, much like how a good night's sleep recharges your body. Now imagine starting your day with a calm, focused mind, and ending it with a peaceful sleep. Sounds good, right? The benefits of mindfulness meditation are numerous and scientifically proven. It's not just an age-old practice or a wellness trend, it's a tool with tangible, positive impacts on our bodies and minds. Let's start with how mindfulness meditation bolsters our immune system. Our immune system is our body's defense against diseases, and regular meditation acts like a shield, strengthening it. When we meditate, we're not just sitting still, we're activating our body's natural healing processes. But the benefits extend beyond the physical. Mindfulness meditation is like a spa for the mind, promoting mental rejuvenation. It's like hitting the refresh button on your brain, helping to clear away the mental clutter. This rejuvenation can help improve focus, enhance creativity, and even foster a more positive outlook on life. Now let's talk about one of the most significant benefits of mindfulness meditation: stress reduction. In our fast-paced, always-on world, stress is a constant companion for many of us. But mindfulness meditation can help us take a step back. It's like a quiet shelter in the midst of a storm. Here's how it works. When we meditate, we trigger our body's relaxation response. This is the body's way of reversing the physical effects of stress. It slows down our heart rate, lowers our blood pressure, and reduces the level of stress hormones in our body. It's like giving our body the signal to switch from fight or flight mode to rest and digest mode. And the best part? The benefits of mindfulness meditation aren't just temporary. Regular practice can lead to long-term changes in our stress response, making us more resilient in the face of life's challenges. So, meditation not only helps in combating stress, but also improves your overall health. It's like a two-for-one deal for wellness, offering a holistic approach to well-being that benefits both body and mind. Did you know that regular meditation can enhance your resilience to stress? It's true, and here's how it works. Meditation is like a workout for your mind. Just as physical exercise strengthens and trains our bodies, meditation conditions our minds. It allows us to take control, to focus our thoughts, and to break free from the negative thinking patterns that often accompany stress. Imagine you're caught in a rainstorm without an umbrella. The rain in this case represents the stresses of life. Now, imagine if you were able to become aware of the rain without getting wet. That's what meditation does. It doesn't stop the rain, it simply gives you an umbrella. When you meditate, you're practicing mindfulness, which is the process of bringing your attention to the present moment. This helps to interrupt the endless loop of negative thoughts that can fuel stress. By focusing on the now, you're less likely to get caught up in worries about the future or regrets over the past. And here's the kicker: when you regularly practice mindfulness through meditation, you actually begin to change the structure of your brain. Studies have shown that regular meditators have more gray matter in parts of the brain associated with emotional regulation and resilience. In other words, the more you meditate, the more resilient to stress you become. But meditation doesn't just help to reduce stress, it also promotes a positive mood. It does this by triggering the body's relaxation response, which leads to lower blood pressure, improved digestion, a reduction in chronic pain, and, of course, improved mood and vitality. Over time, as you continue to practice, you'll find that you're not just managing stress, but you're transforming it. You're turning what was once a source of anxiety into a wellspring of peace, calm, and joy. So while stress might be an inevitable part of life, how we respond to it is within our control. And through meditation, we can build resilience, foster a positive mood, and truly change our relationship with stress. With regular practice, you can turn your stress into strength. While the benefits are plenty, it's important to approach meditation with caution and consistency. Now, we don't want to scare you off, but it's essential to understand that meditation isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. For individuals with a history of trauma or serious mental health conditions, diving headfirst into deep meditation can sometimes stir up emotions and memories that may be overwhelming. So if you find yourself in this category, it's prudent to consult a healthcare provider before embarking on your meditation journey. But hey, don't let this deter you from exploring the wonders of meditation. It's all about finding what works for you and being consistent. Consistency, my friends, is the secret sauce to reaping the full benefits of meditation. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You wouldn't brush your teeth for 2 hours once a week and expect a dazzling smile, right? The same principle applies to meditation. Short, regular sessions are far more effective than longer, sporadic ones. Aim for a few minutes each day, perhaps at the start or end of your day, or even during your lunch break. The goal isn't to meditate for hours on end. Rather, it's about creating a sustainable practice that fits into your daily routine. The beauty of meditation is its flexibility. You can meditate in your living room, in your office, or even in the park. All you need is a quiet space where you can focus and breathe. And remember, meditation isn't about achieving a certain state or emptying your mind completely. It's about being present, being aware, and being kind to yourself. So, if you find your mind wandering during your practice, don't fret. Gently bring your attention back to your breath or your chosen point of focus. It's all part of the process. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. It's about cultivating a habit of mindfulness that can enhance your overall quality of life. So be patient with yourself, stay consistent, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. One size doesn't fit all when it comes to meditation. Just like a tailored suit or a personalized playlist, your meditation practice should fit you perfectly. It should be in sync with your lifestyle, your preferences, and your schedule. After all, meditation is a personal journey, an intimate exploration of your inner self. There are many styles and techniques of meditation. Some prefer mindfulness meditation, focusing on their breathing or the sensations in their body. Others might find transcendental meditation more appealing, repeating a mantra to themselves in silence. Then there are practices like loving kindness meditation, intended to foster compassion and love towards oneself and others. Each method has its unique benefits and appeals. The key here is to try different techniques, be patient, and see what resonates with you. There's no right or wrong way to meditate. What matters is what brings you peace, clarity, and a sense of inner calm. Now let's talk about the time and place. Some people find it best to meditate early in the morning, kickstarting their day with a dose of tranquility. Others might prefer to meditate at night, washing away the day's stress before slipping into sleep. You might find a quiet corner of your home perfect for your practice, or perhaps you prefer the serenity of nature. Again, there's no one-size-fits-all answer here. It's all about finding what works best for you. Consistency is crucial in meditation. It's better to meditate for a few minutes every day than to do longer sessions sporadically. So find a routine that you can comfortably stick to. Remember, even a few minutes of meditation can be a powerful tool to rejuvenate your mind and body. So dear listeners, as you embark on this journey of meditation, remember this. Meditation is not a destination, it's a journey. It's a process of discovering your inner self, of finding peace and tranquility within you. And this journey is uniquely yours. So, explore different paths, experiment with different techniques, and find the one that leads you to your inner peace. Discover your unique path to peace and tranquility. So, are you ready to embark on your mindfulness meditation journey? Let's take a moment to recall the amazing benefits of mindfulness meditation. It's more than just a technique. It's a tool for holistic well-being. It's about reducing stress, enhancing immune function, and rejuvenating the mind. It's about triggering the body's relaxation response, aiding in stress management and physical repair. But remember, consistency is key. Short, regular sessions tend to be more effective than longer, sporadic ones. So why not give it a try? Start with just a few minutes each day. Remember, you can tailor your practice to fit your lifestyle and preferences. Let this be the start of your journey towards resilience and positivity. Let mindfulness meditation help you break free from negative thinking patterns and embrace a more positive mood. And as you journey, we'll be here to guide and support you. So, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Here's to a stress-free life. Thanks for tuning in today. We've journeyed through the remarkable benefits of mindfulness meditation, from its proven stress relief to its role in enhancing resilience. We've also touched on the importance of consistency and the flexibility of customizing your meditation practice. Share this video with friends and family who could use a little peace of mind in their lives. And as we part ways, remember, a calm mind is the ultimate weapon against challenges. Stay mindful, stay stress-free.